Hello friends, welcome to my channel at all. Today in this video, we will cover all the basics related to LDR and how to interface it with Arduino. In this video, we will cover following things, and in description you can find time span so that you can directly jump to any topic. Now in this video, we will see what is LDR, then how can we connect it with Arduino, and then we will learn about why we use a particular type of circuit configuration for LDR connections. And lastly, we will make a small project whose name is Automatic Darkness Detection System, and I will explain its coding, circuit diagram and simulation. Folks, in this channel we talk about Arduino projects and its complete explanation. If you are a beginner or love to make Arduino projects, you can subscribe to this channel. Right now in this series we are talking about how to interface different sensors with Arduino. You can check previous videos to learn about other sensors. Now let's start our video. Firstly, what is LDR? LDR is a short name of light dependent resistor. It is a kind of variable resistance whose resistance varies with intensity of light. When intensity of light is high, its resistance decreases, and when intensity of light is low, its resistance increases. In simple words, you can understand like when more light falls on LDR, it allows more current to flow, and when less light falls on LDR, it allows less current to flow. And you can see that this graph is also saying that only. Now approximately in presence of light, resistance of LDR is 400 ohms, and in complete darkness its resistance is about 9 kilo ohms. That a big variation. Now how to connect LDR with Arduino? Let's see. So here is our circuit connection. You can see that one side of LDR is connected with 5V pin of Arduino, and other end is having two connections. One connection is with A0 pin of Arduino and other connection is with a resistance of 1 kilo ohm. And the other end of resistance is connected with ground pin of Arduino, and this circuit configuration is known as voltage divider configuration. So let's see what is this in brief. First of all, why we use voltage divider configuration? Because this configuration gives reference voltage. We need reference voltage because our Arduino can only convert values from 0 to 5V, whether it's analog or digital. That's why we have to convert bigger values into this range. So according to voltage divider law, V out is equal to V in into R1 by R1 plus R2. In diagram you can see that R1 and R2 are in series and we are finding voltage drop across R2. Now this circuit is similar to our Arduino circuit for LDR. As you can see that here V in is 5V and R1 is 1 kilo ohm and LDR is R2. A0 pin is getting the value of V out. So this way our circuit is similar to this theoretical circuit. Now we will look some calculations. Here we will calculate V out means what we will get in A0 pin using voltage divider rule or formula. So when light intensity is high, resistance of LDR will be 400 ohms and we will get a reference voltage of 3.57 volt or analog value of 728. Similarly, for low light intensity, LDR resistance is 9000 ohms and we will get a reference voltage of 0.5 volt or analog value of 102. Now these calculations are based on theoretical value. This will surely differ from real values, so don't judge me. If you are not satisfied with my calculation, please pardon me. So now we will talk about our project. This is Automatic Darkness Detection System. Actually this system is very simple. It will automatically detect darkness and switch on the lights. And some similar applications are automatic street lights / balcony lights, automatic headlight of car or bike, laser security system and many more. And in next series I will make some of these in real life and share with you. Now let's do programming. So here is our code. In first line I initialized x and y as global variable. Then we move to setup, and here in line 4 I initialize serial communication at 9600 baud rate. Then initialized pin 2 as output because we will connect our LED to this pin only. Then initialized pin A0 as input for LDR. Now we will program our loop function. Here in x variable we are taking analog readings from A0 pin, means from our LDR. Then in next line we are using map function. We already talked about it in a separate video. Check I button to see that video. Now here we are simply converting the minimum and maximum range of LDR into 0 to 100 range, so that light will give 100 and night or complete darkness will give 0. To get minimum and maximum value for our map function, I used this circuit, and in code we are taking input from LDR and printing it. Here left side is complete darkness and right side is complete brightness. So our minimum value is 6 and maximum value is 679. So here we will simply update our values in map function. In next line we are printing value of y. Then use a if else condition, where if condition will execute when brightness will be below 40% and pin 2 will be high, means our LED will be on, and in else block means when brightness is above 40%, pin 2 is low, so our LED will be off. So here you can understand that we can simply use map function to change analog values into 0 to 100% for better understanding. Now let's move to simulation. Here is our circuit. LDR connection is same as last circuit and one LED is connected with Arduino pin 2, just like our several other projects. Now I will press start simulation and increase the brightness slowly. Now you can see that brightness is increasing in serial monitor, and when it crosses 40%, our LED is off. Now you can see that at full brightness it is showing 100%. That's why we use this map function to get a proper understanding. Now again, when percentage of light is less than 40%, then our LED is on. So this way our system is able to detect darkness and eliminate it. Now time to end this video. If you watched it till here, I really appreciate your patience level and hope you learned something from here. Now do me a favor by liking this video and commenting about how was it and what I can improve, and share this video who really need to see this. And new peeps, don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, signing out.